Hey, what's going on, everybody? Aaron here with A.V.Astronomy. So one of my previous videos, I mentioned having a breakthrough with APT and using the platesolve feature there. I just wanted to do a brief tutorial that covers how to actually install that plugin so that you can use that platesolve 2 feature. It's not something that when you load APT and just click on PointCraft, it'll automatically be ready to go. You actually have to download a separate plugin from PlaneWave's site. It's pretty straightforward, but it's just one of those things. If you're new to the hobby and not, the most computer savvy person, it's good to kind of go over how to do something like this. So I thought I'd do a little quick tutorial, show you guys how to get this thing loaded, because it is by far the easiest way to get the go-to and pointing accuracy set up for your imaging session. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's load APT. I know last session I meant to show you guys how to download the platesolve 2 plugin for APT, which is a really nice tool to use when you're trying to set up go-to pointing and centering of your target that you're going after. So when you load APT, you want to go to Gear, PointCraft, Settings, Download platesolve 2. Okay, and it's going to take you to the PlaneWave website. You're going to scroll down here to platesolve 2 and download this and this, both of these. Once those have downloaded, you're going to install each of those, and I'll show you how that's done. Okay, so for this next step, we want to go to those 2 files we downloaded. Right here, platesolve 2.2 and UCAC. Pull that out there. And you want to extract these into their own folder. For the sake of this, we're just going to do the desktop. We'll do a new folder, platesolve 2. There we go. And then this one also in its own folder. We'll just call it UCAC 3. And that's the catalog that will be used by the platesolve 2 plugin when you're using this PointCraft app in APT. Okay, alright. Next step, and make sure you've closed out APT before you proceed with this. Go to your file that you just unzipped, click on platesolve 2, and there's a couple things you want to do here. Okay, so the first thing we got to go to is configure catalog directories. Go to select directory, and we just unzip that onto the desktop, so we know that's desktop UCAC. There we go. Boom. Now that's been set. So we can close that out. Edit parameters. Change max star size to a 9, detection threshold to an 8. That's already checked, and then just hit OK. So now you're good there. You can close this out. Now we can load APT again. You're going to go to the Gear tab, PointCraft, Settings, and now where you had to download it previously, you just point to it. So we know it is right here. Boom, and you're all set. So when you're searching for your object, so let's say you go here, you're in Pointcraft, right? And you want to find, you're trying to find a star to test your focusing. Let's say it's Capella. Okay, double click. It's going to go to, you press solve. It solves, it'll take a picture. It'll solve it, and it can do it in just a matter of seconds. It may take a minute or so. It just depends if it's a blind solve. Once that solves, you hit sync, and then you go to objects here. If you're going to the same object, it'll just center it on that. If you're going somewhere else, you click here, pick the object, deep sky or star, hit go to ++, and it will center it on your target with very, very good precision. It is an awesome tool to use. It sure beats the old-fashioned way of looking through a rangefinder and then playing around with the north, south, east, west buttons in APT. I'm trying to line up my telescope and then syncing it back in CDC that way, which worked, but it was a really big pain in the butt. So this is definitely the way to go with that.